Welcome to our deep dive into Kaizen and the power of continuous improvement. In today's fast-paced world, organizations and individuals alike are constantly searching for ways to enhance productivity, efficiency, and satisfaction. Kaizen, a Japanese term meaning change for better, offers a philosophy and set of practices that can transform the way we work and live. Throughout this video, we'll explore the origins of Kaizen, its core principles, and how you can apply its methods to achieve lasting success. Let's begin our journey by understanding what makes Kaizen so effective and why it has become a cornerstone of modern improvement strategies. Kaizen originated in Japan after World War II, when industries needed to rebuild and become more competitive. Influenced by American business and quality management practices, Japanese companies developed Kaizen as a way to foster continuous incremental improvements. The philosophy quickly spread beyond manufacturing, influencing sectors like healthcare, education, and even personal development. Understanding Kaizen's roots helps us appreciate its adaptability and why it remains relevant across cultures and industries today. Let's look at how Kaizen's history shapes its modern applications. Continuous improvement is the ongoing effort to enhance products, services, or processes. Unlike one-time changes, it focuses on making small, consistent adjustments over time. This approach not only leads to significant results but also fosters a culture of learning and adaptability. By embracing continuous improvement, organizations can stay ahead of the competition and respond effectively to changing demands. Let's explore how this concept is at the heart of Kaizen and why it's so powerful. The heart of Kaizen are several core principles: teamwork, personal discipline, improved morale, quality circles, and suggestions for improvement. These principles encourage everyone in an organization to contribute ideas and take responsibility for making things better. By fostering open communication and collaboration, Kaizen creates an environment where innovation thrives. Let's break down each principle and see how they work together to drive continuous improvement. Teamwork is a foundational element of Kaizen. In a Kaizen-driven environment, everyone's input is valued, and collaboration is encouraged at all levels. Teams work together to identify problems, brainstorm solutions, and implement changes. This collective approach not only leads to better outcomes but also strengthens relationships and trust within the organization. By working as a team, individuals feel empowered and motivated to contribute to ongoing improvement. Personal discipline is crucial in the Kaizen philosophy. It means consistently following procedures, maintaining standards, and being accountable for one's actions. When individuals take responsibility for their work and strive for self-improvement, the entire organization benefits. Personal discipline ensures that improvements are sustained over time and that everyone remains committed to the process of continuous change. Quality circles are small groups of employees who meet regularly to discuss and solve work-related problems. These circles are a key feature of Kaizen, empowering employees to take ownership of improvements. By sharing knowledge and experiences, quality circles foster creativity and drive innovation. This participatory approach helps organizations tap into the collective intelligence of their workforce, leading to more effective and sustainable solutions. Kaizen encourages everyone to contribute ideas for improvement through suggestion systems. These systems provide a structured way for employees to share their insights and propose changes. By valuing and acting on these suggestions, organizations create a culture of engagement and continuous learning. Suggestion systems not only generate innovative ideas but also make employees feel heard and appreciated. Kaizen events, also known as Kaizen blitzes, are focused improvement activities that bring teams together to solve specific problems within a short time frame. These events are highly structured and aim to deliver rapid results. By concentrating resources and attention on a single issue, organizations can achieve significant improvements quickly. Kaizen events also serve as learning opportunities, helping teams develop problem-solving skills and build momentum for future changes. Plan to Check Act (PDCA) cycle is a core tool in Kaizen. It provides a systematic approach to problem-solving and continuous improvement. First, teams plan a change, then implement it, check the results, and act based on what they learn. This iterative process ensures that improvements are tested and refined before being fully adopted. The PDCA cycle helps organizations stay agile and responsive to new challenges. Standardization is essential in Kaizen to ensure that improvements are maintained over time. Once a new process or solution proves effective, it becomes the new standard. This prevents backsliding and provides a foundation for further improvements. Standardization also makes it easier to train new employees and scale best practices across the organization. Let's see how standardization supports continuous progress. Key goal of Kaizen is to eliminate waste in all forms, whether it's time, materials, or effort. By identifying and removing unnecessary steps, organizations can streamline operations and boost efficiency. This focus on waste reduction not only saves resources but also creates more value for customers. Let's explore common types of waste and how Kaizen helps address them. Kaizen waste is often categorized into several types, such as overproduction, waiting, transportation, excess inventory, unnecessary motion defects, and overprocessing. By systematically addressing each type, organizations can uncover hidden inefficiencies and unlock new opportunities for improvement. Understanding these categories helps teams focus their efforts where they will have the greatest impact. Visual management is a powerful Kaizen tool that uses charts, signs, and displays to make information visible and accessible. This approach helps teams quickly identify issues, track progress, and maintain focus on improvement goals. Visual management fosters transparency and accountability, making it easier for everyone to stay aligned and engaged. 5S methodology: sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain is a cornerstone of Kaizen. This simple yet effective system helps create organized, efficient, and safe work environments. By following the 5S steps, teams can reduce clutter, improve workflow, and make it easier to spot problems. The 5S approach lays the groundwork for ongoing improvement and operational excellence. First step in 5S is sort, which involves removing unnecessary items from the workspace. By keeping only what's needed, teams can reduce distractions and make it easier to find tools and materials. Sorting helps create a clean, focused environment where improvement efforts can thrive. Let's see how this simple action sets the stage for greater efficiency. Set in order is about arranging tools and materials so they are easy to find and use. This step minimizes wasted time searching for items and ensures that everything has a designated place. By organizing the workspace, teams can work more efficiently and reduce the risk of errors. Set in order builds on the foundation created by sorting, moving teams closer to operational excellence. Shine focuses on keeping the workspace clean and well-maintained. Regular cleaning not only improves safety but also helps teams spot issues before they become bigger problems. A clean environment boosts morale and demonstrates a commitment to quality. Shine is more than just tidying up, it's about creating a culture of care and attention to detail. Standardizing processes ensures that improvements are consistently applied across the organization. By developing clear procedures and guidelines, teams can maintain high standards and avoid confusion. Standardization also makes it easier to train new employees and replicate success in different areas. This step is vital for sustaining the gains achieved through Kaizen. Final step in 5S is sustain, which focuses on maintaining improvements over time. This requires ongoing commitment, regular audits, and continuous training. By embedding 5S practices into daily routines, organizations can ensure that progress is not lost and that a culture of improvement endures. Sustain is about making continuous improvement a way of life. Kaizen thrives on active employee involvement. When everyone participates in identifying problems and suggesting solutions, organizations benefit from a diverse range of perspectives. This inclusive approach not only leads to better ideas but also increases buy-in and commitment to change. Employee involvement is the engine that drives continuous improvement forward. Leadership plays a critical role in supporting Kaizen. Leaders set the tone by modeling continuous improvement behaviors, providing resources, and recognizing achievements. By empowering teams and removing barriers, leaders create an environment where Kaizen can flourish. Effective leadership ensures that improvement efforts are aligned with organizational goals and sustained over time. Continuous improvement requires ongoing training and development. By investing in skill building and knowledge sharing, organizations equip employees to tackle new challenges and drive innovation. Training programs also help embed Kaizen principles into the organizational culture, ensuring that everyone understands their role in the improvement process. To ensure that improvement efforts are effective, it's important to measure progress. Kaizen encourages the use of metrics and key performance indicators to track results and identify areas for further improvement. By regularly reviewing data, teams can celebrate successes, learn from setbacks, and make informed decisions about next steps. Recognizing and celebrating achievements is an important part of Kaizen. Celebrations reinforce positive behaviors, boost morale, and motivate teams to continue their improvement journey. Whether it's a small win or a major breakthrough, taking time to acknowledge progress helps sustain momentum and build a culture of continuous improvement. Change can be challenging, and resistance is a natural part of the improvement process. Kaizen addresses resistance by involving employees, communicating openly, and providing support. By listening to concerns and addressing them constructively, organizations can turn resistance into an opportunity for learning and growth. Kaizen has its roots in manufacturing, where it revolutionized production processes and quality control. By focusing on small, incremental changes, manufacturers have been able to reduce waste, improve efficiency, and deliver higher quality products. The success of Kaizen in manufacturing has inspired its adoption in many other fields. Healthcare organizations have embraced Kaizen to improve patient care, reduce errors, and streamline operations. By involving frontline staff in problem-solving and process improvement, hospitals and clinics have achieved remarkable results. Kaizen's focus on continuous, incremental change is especially valuable in complex, high-stakes environments like healthcare. Schools and universities are using Kaizen to enhance teaching methods, administrative processes, and student outcomes. By encouraging teachers, students, and staff to suggest improvements, educational institutions can create more effective and engaging learning environments. Kaizen's principles help foster a culture of curiosity and lifelong learning. Service industries such as retail, hospitality, and finance have adopted Kaizen to enhance customer experiences and streamline operations. By focusing on process improvements and employee engagement, service organizations can deliver higher value and adapt quickly to changing customer needs. Kaizen's flexibility makes it a valuable tool in any industry. Kaizen isn't just for organizations, it can also be applied to personal development. By making small, consistent improvements in daily habits, individuals can achieve meaningful progress over time. Whether it's learning a new skill, improving health, or managing time more effectively, Kaizen provides a roadmap for lifelong growth. Applying Kaizen to personal life starts with setting clear, achievable goals. By breaking big objectives into smaller steps, individuals can make steady progress and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Regularly reviewing and adjusting goals ensures that improvement efforts stay on track and remain relevant. Kaizen encourages the development of positive habits through small, consistent actions. By focusing on one change at a time and celebrating small wins, individuals can build momentum and make lasting improvements. Habit building is a powerful way to apply Kaizen principles in everyday life. Just as organizations use metrics to measure improvement, individuals can track their own progress using journals, apps, or checklists. Regular tracking helps maintain motivation, identify obstacles, and celebrate achievements. By making progress visible, Kaizen keeps individuals focused on their goals. Setbacks are a natural part of any improvement journey. Kaizen teaches us to view challenges as learning opportunities rather than failures. By analyzing setbacks, adjusting strategies, and staying committed, individuals and organizations can turn obstacles into stepping stones for future success. While Kaizen focuses on incremental improvements, it also lays the groundwork for breakthrough innovation. By fostering a culture of experimentation and learning, organizations can generate new ideas and stay ahead of the curve. Kaizen and innovation go hand in hand, driving both continuous progress and transformative change. Kaizen is closely linked to Lean, a methodology that aims to maximize value by eliminating waste. Lean builds on Kaizen's principles, using tools like value stream mapping and just-in-time production to optimize processes. Together, Kaizen and Lean create a powerful framework for operational excellence. Six Sigma is another improvement methodology that complements Kaizen. While Kaizen emphasizes small, continuous changes, Six Sigma focuses on reducing variation and defects through data-driven analysis. By combining the strengths of both approaches, organizations can achieve higher quality and greater efficiency. As organizations embrace digital transformation, Kaizen remains a valuable guide. By applying continuous improvement principles to technology adoption and process automation, companies can navigate change more effectively. Kaizen ensures that digital initiatives deliver real value and are aligned with organizational goals. Sustainability is an increasingly important goal for organizations. Kaizen supports sustainability by promoting resource efficiency, waste reduction, and continuous learning. By integrating Kaizen with environmental initiatives, companies can create long-term value for both their business and the planet. A core tenet of Kaizen is delivering value to customers. By continuously improving products and services, organizations can better meet customer needs and exceed expectations. Customer feedback is a vital source of ideas for improvement, helping teams stay focused on what matters most. Kaizen not only improves processes but also enhances employee well-being. By involving employees in decision-making and creating supportive work environments, organizations can boost morale, reduce stress, and foster a sense of purpose. Employee well-being is both a driver and a result of successful continuous improvement. Many organizations have achieved remarkable results through Kaizen. From reducing costs and increasing productivity to improving quality and customer satisfaction, the benefits are clear. Success stories from companies around the world demonstrate the power of continuous improvement and inspire others to begin their own Kaizen journey. Starting a Kaizen journey doesn't require massive changes. Begin by identifying small areas for improvement, involving your team, and celebrating early wins. Over time, these small steps add up to significant progress. The key is to stay committed, keep learning, and make continuous improvement a daily habit. In summary, Kaizen is more than just a set of tools. It's a mindset that empowers individuals and organizations to pursue excellence every day. By embracing continuous improvement, fostering collaboration, and staying open to change, anyone can unlock the full potential of Kaizen. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Remember, every small step counts on the path to greatness.